Hi everyone! Today I will show you how to set up the HPUSN soft lights for lighting, or as I like to call them, the HPUSN, so stay tuned.
Before I begin our video, let's take a few seconds to make sure you're watching this in the highest quality possible. If you're watching on a computer, just press Settings, then go to Quality, and pick the highest number available. If 4K is an option, press 4K, if not, 1080p. Now if you're on a phone, just lightly press on the screen, and 3 little dots on the right hand corner will appear. Press on those, and let's pick quality all the way at the top. Then let's click the advanced option. Once you clicked advanced, pick the biggest number.
Okay, without further ado, let's go ahead and open up our box. By the way, the little box beside this one is a backdrop stand. I will be unboxing, reviewing, and setting it up in the later video, so make sure you stay tuned for that in this channel. I like the fact that everything already comes neatly inside its bag. When we open up our bag, the first thing we see is this cardboard box and then our lights. These are the actual light bulbs. They're really big, so they come individually in a white box. This specific order comes with 2 light bulbs and 1 light stand. Inside the cardboard box is the stand or the legs in which the light will sit on. Inside the black bag that you guys saw me pull out is the square-shaped umbrella in which the bulb goes inside. So we have to press this piece of plastic all the way back until it snaps into place behind the circle. Just like this. Let's go ahead and remove the plastic and open up the stand. Okay, we will twist the little knob on the side in order for the stand to be able to open. After you adjust it to your desired length, go ahead and tighten the knob again. To be able to make the stand taller, you have to unscrew the knobs a little bit and then you'll be able to pull it out. Tighten it to wherever you're comfortable with. Now let's remove this little protector to be able to attach the head of the light into our stand. Now let's go ahead and take our light bulb out and screw it into the umbrella. We will attach this piece of fabric onto our 4 corners. And voila! Here is our beauty. Now let's go ahead and plug it into our wall. It has a little switch connected to the cord. I turned off the light in the room, but I still have the flash on my phone, so you can't tell as well. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn the light off on my flash and in my room so you can see how much brighter it is from pitch dark until I turn it on. All in all, I think the light is great. It's really bright. It lightens the whole room up better than any light bulb would. So I think I definitely recommend this. That is going to be it for this video. Please like, comment, subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Love you guys. Bye.